Ndewo, kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeoma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. So I bring you Igbo lessons. We're doing the 14-day Igbo lessons, and today we are learning how to ask things like, what are you doing? Like plural. What are they doing? What is she doing? Okay, so asking those questions is what you're doing today. So let's first learn what to call he, she, or we. Okay, or o means he or she. Or o, okay, depending on vowel harmony, is he or she. Anyị, we. Ha, they, unu, you all. Okay, so or o is he or she. Okay, same thing. Okay, anyị, we. Ha, they. You, plural, unu. Okay, just note that he or she is the same in Igbo. It's not different. So let's ask a question. Kedụ ihe ọ na-eme? Kedụ ihe ọ na-eme? Ọ na-eri nri. So what is she doing? She is eating. Or what is he doing? He's eating. Kedụ ihe ọ na-eme? Ọ na-eri nri. Ọ na-eri nri. Ọ na-eri nri. Kedụ ihe ọ na-eme? Ọ na-eri nri. Okay? And or can be he or she. Kedụ ihe ha na-eme? Kedụ ihe ha na-eme? Ha is they. Kedụ ihe ha na-eme? Ha na-eri nri. Ha na-eri nri. Okay? They are eating. Kedụ ihe ha na-eme? Ha na-eri nri. Ha is they. Okay? They are eating. Kedụ ihe ha na-eme? Now to say we is anyị. What are we doing? Kedụ ihe anyị na-eme? Kedụ ihe anyị na-eme? What are we doing? Anyị na-egwu egwu. We are playing. Kedụ ihe anyị na-eme? Anyị na-egwu egwu. We are playing. So anyị is we. Anyị na-egwu egwu. We are playing. Kedụ ihe anyị na-eme? Kedụ ihe unu na-eme? That's you all. Kedụ ihe unu na-eme? What are you all doing? So when you're going to answer, you're going to say we, isn't it? If I say, what are you all doing? You can say, we are doing this. So kedụ ihe unu na-eme? The answer will be anyị na-egwu egwu. We are playing. Oh, the English is wrong. Sorry, beg your pardon. What are you doing is not what is. Okay, pardon the error. What are you doing is the interpretation. We are playing. Kedụ ihe unu na-eme? Kedụ ihe unu na-eme? Anyị na-egwu egwu. Anyị na-egwu egwu. Daalụ o. Daalụ. If you want more coaching, if you want to get on Zoom and get coaching with other people that are learning Igbo, check out the boot camp on igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Okay. Also, I'll be hosting a workshop today on Zoom, a free workshop. Those of you in the email list, you already know about it. However, if you want to join us in that workshop, still go to igbostudy.com and click on the workshop to register. Okay. igbostudy.com, click on workshop to register for the free workshop. And if you want to join us in the bootcamp lessons, you go to igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Ngwanu kodi o na asụkwa Igbo.